So today we are going to be talking about mouse care in general and what they need. And I'm going to start with the cage. The bigger the cage, the better. Mice are very active and very agile. They love to climb and have fun. So get a big cage, because otherwise you won't get really happy mice. This cage here is 60 centimeters long, 35 centimeters wide, and 30 centimeters tall. I would say that's a minimum for 4 girls, like I have here. Well, right now I only have 2, but normally I have 4 in them. I would not go for a smaller cage if you have a group of girls. They need space, they need to be able to be alone for a bit. Males can have a smaller cage. Cornelius is a bit smaller, but I would seriously not buy the really small cages you can see in the pet shops. They are awful. The spaces between the bars cannot be more than 1 centimeter, otherwise your mice will get out. Please remember that. Get a large bottom here, because the bedding will be all over the place otherwise, because they love to dig tunnels and they love to move the bedding around. So just remember that. That's it for the cage. So your mice will need some bedding. Do not use the bedding from cedar or pine wood. It's very dangerous for them. They can breathe in toxic phenols, and as they run around on it all day long, it's seriously dangerous, because mice have very sensitive airways. So use something else. I here use Gypsy Super. It's made from fir and sprouse trees, and it's resin free, so it's really safe. It's almost dust free. The mice do not smell it when they live in it. It's soft and great, and I personally love it. You can also use hemp, which is really good, or bedding made from aspen trees. Or you can use Carefresh or Box of Comfort. I know that a lot of people like this. This is made from paper too, just like Carefresh. I just do not recommend it for mice, because mice actually smell bad when they live in this. I don't know why, but they do, even though it's soft and it's really good for hamsters. I have only tried with Carefresh once, and then I thought I would try Boxo here, but no, it's not good. Plus my mice, they hate it. They just take it out of the cage immediately between the bars with their small paws. They will not have it in their cage. But you can use this, but it's a bit of a chance, because they tend to stink when they live in this. You also need some nesting material. I recommend that you just use newspaper and shred it to pieces, or toilet paper. That's really good too. At least newspaper here in Denmark is not dangerous anymore. The ink is fine, so you can use that. Or use, if you want something a bit softer, use you can get Kringles from in the pet shop too, or paper based bedding too. Just don't ever use the soft hamster cotton bed thing you can get in the pet shops. It's dangerous. Their paws can get stuck in it, and the blood supply can be cut off. So seriously, never use it. Use this toilet paper, the Kringles, or newspaper. That's it. So yeah, remember, good bedding. So you are also going to need food for your mice. I use pellets. These are Lux pellets. You can get Soucoups, Altramin, and Rat Vital too. All of them are great pellets. When you give pellets, you make sure that your mice cannot choose what they like and what they don't like. So here you make sure they get everything they need, and you can always just give them a small treat if you think they need something a bit better. But this is really good, and it wears their teeth down too, so it's amazing. And here I have some different kind of treats. The 3 of them are bought at the Lux shop. Again, I'm sorry, I'm gonna make a video with treats you can buy in pet stores, but right now I only have this. This is actually a bird mix, but I bought it for my mice. On the Lux shop you can choose which kind of rodent you have, and then it comes up with different kind of mixes you can buy for them. So this is it. They love it. And here we have some with bigger seeds and stuff in it. Really good too. But be careful with the seeds and treats, because mice can get diabetic when they get fat, and they get pretty easily fat. So just remember that. And I also have a flower mix. It's dried flowers. It smells amazing and the mice absolutely love it. So this is a really good treat for them. You can also give them dog treats. I break it into small pieces and then I just give that to them. They usually get a little piece in the morning and then that's it. Just always remember your mice have to have food. Always, always, always have food in their cage, as well as water. You can see my water bottle there. Always have food and water. So yeah, that's it. So, for your mice, you will also need a lot of toys. Remember, mice are very active when they are awake, so you need a big cage, so you have the possibility to give them a lot of toys. I will start with the running disc here. I use the running disc. You can also get a flying saucer, both of them in medium size, because the small one is really too small. If you do want to use a normal wheel, I would say that you need to have a wheel that's Syrian hamster sized, because a lot of people forget that even though a mouse's body is small, it has a long tail, and that tail is connected to the spine. And if you have a regular wheel, the tail will be forced to bend upwards, which can give them a really bad backache. And you have to remember that the tail also helps them when they climb. And if it hurts to use the tail, they cannot climb. So get a big wheel if you want a normal wheel, and that's also why you need a big cage. If you want a wheel, please do not use the ones that has bars and then spaces, like space between the bars. That's really bad for them. They can get stuck with their paws or their tails. So use the safe wheels or use a running disc or flying saucer. That's the best. You also need a place where they can sleep and cuddle. For example, hammocks. You all know that I have the pink hammock up here for the girls, and also have one in black and red and stuff. These you can make yourselves. I have not made them. The girls and Cornelius got this from Cornelius' breeder in a Christmas present. They love it, but you need hammocks. You can also buy a lot of Trixie hammocks. They're really good. So buy that. Your mice will love you for it. As toys, I recommend toys made out of wood, because mice, they chew on just about everything except your running disc, but they chew on everything. I have a small chew toy here, and you can see that they have really been chewing on it. If my camera actually wants to, yeah. So they have used it and they like it. A must in every cage is this tree trunk. Cornelius, as you can see, he doesn't use it that much. He has been biting a bit off here, but otherwise he just pees on it. But the girls, they have fun, and they have chewed it all the wood completely off, so it's this color all around it. You can also use to put the nesting material in it, along with some treats maybe, and stuff it in there, so they have to work to get their treats out and the bedding out. That's a really good idea. A must. Another must is this wooden tree bridge. They love the wooden tree bridge. They hide under it and sit under it to eat and groom themselves. It's really good. And when I have them out on this table here to play, I place it here, and then I open the cage so that the cage bar is resting on here, so it's not so steep for them to get out. So you need that. And of course, a toilet paper roll. That's good for them too. Of course, you have to get a house too. And here I would seriously recommend a tree house, because the plastic houses can be not dangerous, but it's not very good for them, because when they sleep in it, it can get very moist and damp in there, and they breathe that in. As I've said before, they have very sensitive airways. So I would recommend the tree houses, also because they chew on it, so that's also a good idea. But yeah, this is, well, a very short introduction to what you need for your mice. If you want me to specify something else or talk about something else, then just write to me. I will make a video with that. But if you follow these steps, you are going to have very happy mice.